Let's make a waffle breakfast sandwich. Y'all, this was so delicious. I can't wait for you to try it. You're gonna start by caramelizing onions. I chopped up 3 onions and I'm gonna cook it over medium-low heat in some oil. Add a tablespoon of brown sugar and literally just cook it to death. And then I'm gonna brown some breakfast sausage patties. I got these hash browns from Trader Joe's. I use lavender sea salt and black garlic for my egg wash. I let the waffles thaw on the counter for a little bit before dipping them in the egg wash and then frying them in a pan. You wanna cook them for like 3 minutes per side until they get pretty and brown like this. And then next, in that pan that you cook the sausage, you're gonna fry some eggs. You can also do scrambled eggs, however you like your eggs. I like mine fried in grease. Fried eggs are nice because they're done in a couple of minutes. You can break the yolk if you want to. After your eggs are done, these are all of the things I'm gonna use to assemble the sandwich. You can melt the cheese in the pan if you want to. You're gonna top your cheese with some hash browns and then some of that breakfast sausage, and then your fried egg and some of those caramelized onions. My mouth is literally watering as I edit this video. I have some barrel-aged bourbon maple syrup. You could also use honey or jam. This was so delicious. Thank you so much for watching.